We are pleased to show you the 2022 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, brake assist. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.